So welcome to my channel. As in this current session, I want to demonstrate completely on Eclipse IDE for beginners. Okay. First of all, you have to download Eclipse IDE. You have to download Eclipse IDE from computer, and next you have to double click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You have to download Eclipse IDE based on your operating system configuration. So wait for a few minutes, it will open. And you have to check this path. This is your installed path. Select on launch. Now it will open Eclipse IDE. Assume that you don't have any projects. You are a beginner, and these are my rule. Okay, for your understanding, I will create a new project, new Java project. Assume that your project name is, for example, test. After typing the project name, select next. Click on finish. So you can see the test project. Now your next step is to create class. Give package name as test and name will be demo, and select main method. If it is already selected here, unselect, and you have to select main method only. Now you have to write the body of the method main. This is your package name and this is your class name, and it is made public. That is public access where it is accessible to the entire class, followed by one main method. Assume that now your task is to print hello world message on the screen. For this reason, if you want to print any message, use system dot out dot println, give some message hello world, give semicolon. While writing any program, you have to use semicolon and close the flower bracket. Now click on save. Now run this program. So if you scroll, you'll see the hello world. If you want to print any message on the screen in Java, you have to use system.out.println. And those who are the beginners don't know how to install Eclipse IDE or how to run Eclipse IDE, this is the way you have to run Eclipse IDE. And thanks for watching. Keep watching for next videos. If you don't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe, put like and share to others. Thanks for watching.